Welcome back, parents, to our algebra series on graphing lines, just bit by bit, because there's a lot of topics in this unit. Today, we're going to be focusing on horizontal and vertical lines, which is something that students often just mix up with each other. So, whoops, I shared the wrong thing. Let's try that again. Screen share. And here it is. All right. So I'm looking at the first top left where it says y equals 4. So what this means is where the line crosses the y-axis is at 4. So the y-axis is up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is. This is my horizontal line at y equals 4. When a line is horizontal, the slope is 0. All right, now let's take a look at that line over here on the right in blue, x equals -3. So the x-axis goes across. So I'm looking for where x is -3. 1, 2, 3. That's where x is -3. Not down here. That's where y is -3. And then I can just draw my line straight in. When a line is vertical, its slope is undefined. Teachers will write this all different kinds of ways. Sometimes a 0 with a line through it, UD, sometimes we have to write it out. Just, follow the lead of the teacher on that one. She or he is the boss. Okay, so now let's take a look at the examples in red. Y equals -6. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is. Now, some students are tempted to do this because that goes through -6. But the problem is that the horizontal line wants every place where y is -6. Y is -6 over here and over here. All these red dots have a y value of -6. And so I'm going to connect the dots there, pretend like that's straight, and the slope is 0. Now let's look at the x equals 5. I'm going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is, up and down. That's my vertical line. And the slope is undefined. There are two special cases that students really struggle with, and that's the equations for the actual axes, right? The line y equals 0 is actually the x-axis. It can be kind of counterintuitive because this same spot has two names now. It has x-axis and y equals 0. But keep in mind that the x-axis shows all the places where y is 0. At any of these places along the green line, y is 0, right? X is changing, but y is not. Y is 0, y is the constant. The slope is 0. All right, now let's take a look at x equals 0. That's the same as the y-axis. So again, it has two names, and that can be confusing for students. The y-axis is actually the line x equals 0. And the reason why is because all of these points have the same x value. They are always 0, and the slope is undefined. Okay, I hope that helps.